Three things in Japan America really needs. First, in Japan, you can buy self-heating bento boxes. All you do is pull a string, and within minutes, your meal warms up on its own. No microwave, no stove, just hot food anywhere you go. It's convenient, portable, and perfect for travel or work. Next, Japan even sells jelly water as a drink. The jelly texture makes it much safer to swallow than plain water, reducing the risk of choking. It's a simple solution that shows how Japan designs for everyone, young and old. Finally, some Japanese hot springs reach nearly 50 degrees Celsius, far too hot for bathing. Adding cold water would weaken their healing properties. So locals developed umomi, a traditional method where they use long wooden boards to stir and cool the water naturally. This keeps the bath safe while preserving its benefits.